All right, you get to go on a bit of a ride along with me today. Walk through Richard's life. We're going to be doing a bit of driving in the AMG today, and stick around if you want to see some McLaren action tonight. Likely drive that, or at least see it at the car meet. And we got quite a bit of people rolling with us tonight. I want to say like 8 to 10 people. Usually we only do like 2 or 3 at a time, but yeah, we got the SLS car meet later tonight. We're gonna do some driving in the AMG. We got tanning, and we're gonna get some food. We're gonna do a gym workout later on, and honestly, anything else that life has to offer today. It's a beautiful day, and I'll see you at the car. AMG. I love this car. I tell you what, it's a little cold and windy today. Just a little bit. Nothing that's gonna stop us from having a great day though. Wow, it is windy, I'll tell you what. Branches of a tree over there. Beautiful thing. Looks kind of like a movie. That opening right there on the trail. Let's keep going. Little trail off the beaten path. Leads to the water, but it's kind of cool being so close to the water. Humans are naturally attracted to it. Yeah, nature in Colorado is pretty beautiful, I'll tell you what. It's a lot better than how California is these days. A lot of fires and stuff like that, and everything just looks dead and stuff like that in the mountains. This is one of my favorite spots on this trail. Just calming. You get to be literally basically touching the water. You could if you wanted to. Say it's a little cold right now, but yeah, seeing the ice like this and seeing it break away over time, and then, you know, the flowing water, all that stuff, and again, just being so close to it. But yeah. Tip of the day, do something different. Honestly, try something different. If you wake up or go to sleep at a certain time, do a different time. Try it out. See what happens if you come into contact with different things throughout the day because you know, you got up or went to sleep at a different time. You know, switch things up. Life doesn't have to be so stagnant. If you don't want to be at your job anymore, even if it was originally your dream job, change it up, switch it up. Maybe it's the employer, maybe it's your boss, or maybe you are the boss and you don't want to be anymore. Switch it up. You know, even as something as simple as, I don't know, changing toothpaste, or, you know, your morning routine, or, you know, add something to it, take something away. If you go to the same Chipotle every so often, whatever, you go to the same exact one. Try going to a different one. Maybe you'll get a better experience. The staff will be nicer and give you, you know, a better time. Maybe you meet someone different in your life, and you got to protect the mental. So, you know, just try something different. It could literally be anything. If you haven't gone tanning before, you know, the self-love stuff. If you haven't gone tanning, if you haven't done meditation, or if you haven't, you know, talked to yourself in a while, you know, the only one you got in this life truly is yourself. And what else? You know, massages, meditation, you got tanning, the sensory deprivation or float tanks, acupuncture, going on a walk through nature, bike ride, whatever. Maybe change up the car that you drive, whatever. Just try something different. I hope you guys are having a great day. think we're gonna go tanning next. I'll see you there. We are at the tanning place. Just hop inside. I'm gonna do like 4 minutes. I'm just doing it for the benefits. I'm not doing it for actually tanning because I tan very easily. But yeah, let's hop in there. Good, yourself?
Good. What are you thinking?
I'll do 2 again for 4 minutes. Thank you. Have a great rest of your day. All right, let's get some food. I'm hungry, haven't eaten today. And yeah, I'm thinking Chick-fil-A. Let's go. Hello.
Can I have a name for you?
Richard? Thank you.
Yeah, my cousin, great one.
You too. Alrighty, have a great rest of your night.
Thank you, you too.
Finishing up editing probably the first, I don't know, third or, excuse me, no, like first 2/3 are like half of the video, and gonna go to the store real quick in the Mclaren, and I'll see you guys out there. Whoopsie.
That's in the video. That's crazy. That's crazy.
Second floor.
Gym is sick here. It's literally like a commercial gym here. Big open ceilings too. Like a 2-story for the height. Yeah, even the weights go up to 100 pounds over here. It's a nice tan or brown to offset the colors. Yeah, they got a lot of stuff in here. Let's get to it. All right, we're headed out to the SLS car meet now. Got a few cars with us. I think Civic, AMG GLA 45, and then a McLaren. I'll see you guys there.
That's a lot of cars, I have to tell.
Well, the McLaren's done for a few weeks.
Yeah, there we go. It's kind of clean.
Bye-bye, McLaren. All right, round two to leave to the SLS car meet. Swapped out a car. Acquired another person. I'll see you guys there. All right, all finished up with the day, pretty much at this point, and definitely an interesting night. Definitely a lot of driving though. It was fun for me. I like that. I hope you guys are having a great day, great night, whatever time of the day it is for you, whatever part of the world you're at. And yeah, going back to what I said earlier today, tip of the day, try something different. Try something different. The only constant in this world is change. And you may actually like it. It may not feel good right at first, but just try it out. You know, you might find something that you really love. And may not be the same result that you were looking for, but it may be, you know, even better than what you were looking for. You may not see it right at first, but yeah. I'm gonna finish editing this video. Like I said, have a great day, great night, and I will see you guys soon.